When it comes to buying a used car in 2025, the goal is simple. Find something reliable, efficient, and easy on the wallet. But not every cheap deal is a good deal. Some cars might look like bargains up front, but they hide expensive problems that could drain your savings faster than a gas-guzzling SUV. Today we're breaking down 5 used cars that seem affordable, but will absolutely wreck your wallet. If you're car shopping on a budget, this list might save you thousands. Before we jump in, here's how we chose the cars on this list. Each model checks 3 boxes. It's affordable on the used market, usually under $10,000 to $15,000. It looks appealing, stylish, comfortable, or with good initial performance. But it hides serious long-term costs, unreliable engines, expensive replacement parts, or high maintenance needs. We also considered lack of modern tech support, limited parts availability, and poor fuel efficiency compared to today's standards. Remember, what matters isn't just the purchase price, it's what you'll spend after you drive off the lot. Let's start strong with the BMW 5 Series from 2013 to 2016. On paper, it's a dream car. Luxury interior, smooth handling, and plenty of power. Used prices start as low as $8,000 in 2025. Sounds great, right? Until the repair bills hit. BMWs from this generation are notorious for oil leaks, turbo failures, and costly electronic system issues. A simple engine repair can easily cost $3,000 or more, and parts availability is becoming a problem as these models age. So, while the upfront cost feels tempting, maintaining this car could quickly double your investment. Next is the Ford Focus, especially models from 2014 to 2018. It's compact, fuel efficient, and often priced below $9,000. But here's the catch: the infamous dual-clutch transmission. Owners have complained for years about shuddering, slipping, and total transmission failure. Even though Ford offered some recalls and extended warranties, many of these cars are now out of coverage. A transmission rebuild could cost you more than half of what you paid for the car. Combine that with weak resale value, and this budget-friendly buy becomes a financial trap. In third place, the Jeep Cherokee from 2014 to 2017. Jeeps are loved for their rugged looks, but reliability isn't always their strong suit. The 9-speed automatic transmission used in these models is one of the most problematic systems in the segment. Jerky shifting, sudden stalls, and expensive replacements. Add to that poor fuel economy and electrical glitches, and you're looking at a repair nightmare. Even basic maintenance like suspension or brakes tends to cost more than average. It may look like an adventurous SUV bargain, but the adventure ends at the mechanic's shop. The Mini Cooper from 2012 to 2016 is another classic trap. These cars are stylish, fun to drive, and have that European flair. Plus, you can find them for under $10,000. But don't be fooled. Beneath that charm lies a ticking time bomb of mechanical problems, turbocharger failures, coolant leaks, and complex engine layouts that make even minor repairs labor-intensive. Mechanics often joke that Minis have BMW repair prices in a smaller package, since BMW owns the brand. Parts and labor costs add up fast, and the resale market knows it. These cars lose value faster than most in their class. Finally, the Volkswagen Passat from 2013 to 2017. Spacious, smooth, and very affordable on the used market, often around $9,000. But this generation suffers from recurring electrical issues, oil consumption problems, and costly emission system repairs. With the rise of newer hybrid and EV options, parts for these older VW models are harder to source and pricier to replace. Combine that with mediocre reliability ratings and high dealership service fees, and you've got a money pit disguised as a bargain sedan. So there you have it, 5 cars that might look like a steal in 2025 but could leave your wallet begging for mercy. Remember, when shopping for used cars, the cheapest price isn't always the best deal. Research repair histories, get pre-purchase inspections, and think long-term. If this video helped you avoid a costly mistake, hit that like button, subscribe for more car insights, and tell us in the comments which car burned your wallet the most. See you in the next one.